Hey, what's up everyone? This is CryptoBox with another video. We create videos about blockchain games, NFTs, and more, so consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss bigger opportunities. So in today's video we have once again League of Kingdoms, and I've already made a video on this. This is just the past video of this video that's going to be released. And this is the game here. Now you can see that this is a different account here. It's called CryptoBox YT. I've made a new clan if you'd like to join it. Its clan tag is CPOX or CryptoBox YT because for some reason, I have no idea why, I contacted their team and everything, but it seems like they also don't know what's going on or something. But yeah, so just watch out. I'm just gonna say this now, that sometimes it seems like most people, their account will get banned for some reason in the next day after registration. I have no idea why it happened to me, so it happens basically for no reason too. So it's probably something's wrong with their system. So just saying that maybe register your account. Don't spend too much time on the first day, and then check the second day if you've been banned or anything. And if you haven't, then I guess you could be safe. But if you'd like to join the clan, this is a new clan, as you can see, CryptoBox. It has 48 members, but some might leave, some might join, so you can join up if you'd like to. There's gifts and stuff, as you can see. So let's get started. So if you don't know what Legend of Kingdoms is, it's like Clash of Clans. If you don't know what Clash of Clans is, it's like building a base, and you could get attacked, you could attack others, you can go collect resources. As you can see at the top right here, we have the resources like the corn, the wood, or logs, or whatever. You have here the stone, and then you have coins. So these all can be farmed in the game by just playing the game. As you can see, these are like gold mines and lumber camps. These are the things that will mine your resources. And you might be asking, how can I earn free to play? It's actually just these resources at the top, so you can sell them. Like if you get 10 million of these resources, which I know will take a long time, if you do get 10 million, you can sell it for a few bucks, and at some point you will be really good at this game where you can make 10 million every, I don't know, an hour or two, from what I've seen people do. And you can start selling your resources a bunch, and since you can sell a bunch of resources, you can start making at least a couple, like $8 to $9, $10 free to play. But obviously that will take some time, so it's not instant. So you're probably gonna be playing like free to play, nothing earning for like maybe your first week or so, first 2 weeks, but you're not spending that much time either. You're just coming here, you're upgrading things. As you can see, these are the buildings. There's a tutorial already how to play the game by just logging in or registering. It will right away put you on a tutorial, so you can learn that real quick. And if you don't know, this is all your resources, and like the barracks is where you can train fighters that you're going to be using to go fight monsters and stuff. You have the quests, and the quests, as you can see, you can click claim and you will claim a quest. There's side quests, main quests, daily quests, and you can open these chests to get rewards. As you can see, there's sometimes huge rewards. So you have the event quests, you have the battlefield quests, so that's for battles. And then you have the clan. This is a clan right here, the clan, or just like the castle, clan castle in Clash of Clans. And then by doing those quests, you get things in your inventory like boosters and stuff here. Like as you can see, each of this item will give you 100 gems or crystals, so that I could just use this to refill my gems. And gems are only obtainable by quests, or maybe like chests and stuff, or by just buying them, which I wouldn't say you should buy these because I actually don't think these are worth the price of buying. Now it is obviously play to win this game, or pay to win actually, so it's up to you if you'd like to buy these. I would recommend buying their land instead of these packages here. You can buy their land, you can buy their Drago NFTs. Those will be more better than just buying those offers. And basically how you would mint NFTs to make money is you would actually just go over to click to the top left, connect your MetaMask, and make sure you're on Polygon. So you click here and Polygon, and that would switch you to the Polygon blockchain. And here you can go to the resources and you can mint, choose whatever you want, and you can mint at max 10 million or at minimum 1 million whatever resources. Now, I don't recommend minting, only 1 million or 5 million. I just say, get 10 million. It's more attractive and more people will buy the 10 million than the 1 million or 5 million, and it's way less. So just a quick tip there. You have, your trading post, treasure house. This is also where you can get your chests, like gold chests, which will refill every 24 hours, and you can get like 5 free chests per day. And once you're done with that, you don't get any more free chests. You can gather some chests through quests or whatever, but that's about it. Now, as you can see, I started an upgrade here, and people can actually help you upgrade quicker. If you go over to your clan, you can click help. You can see these people here, like one person just helped me out to make it 1 minute faster. As you can see, reduced 1 minute, and I can just click help all, and that's basically it. It just helps all the clanmates, which is great. Then you can see that when an alliance member purchases a special package, all members will receive an alliance gift. So it seems like one person bought a special package called Vinsmoke Sanji. If I'm not who this is, I'm not sure who this is, so I'm just gonna click claim, and as you can see, I claimed these resources and stuff, alliance experience. So it's basically Clash of Clans, but on blockchain, which it's pretty cool, but it has a bunch of bugs and stuff. I'm just being honest here that from what I've been playing, first of all, like I've seen, like weird cooldowns and resets. So like I'd click upgrade a building, and then I'd go offline for like about 5-10 minutes just to come back, and it's not even upgrading, it's actually one level down because it reset my progress for some reason. So that's one known bug. And then there's other bugs like your troops are not showing up from what you've been training. Another bug is that sometimes you can't even do anything in the game. So there's a lot of bugs, but honestly, without these bugs, I think the game would actually be somehow like it would be good. Now, also one thing I've seen a lot is the appearance of bots. There is a lot of bots on this game. There's a lot of bots on this game from what I've seen, and they join clans and stuff. They just do auto farming, and these bots will not just auto farm, but they will attack players' bases, automatically and stuff. So just be careful. I'm just saying these are just tips and tricks about the game and helpful things to get you started. Now, let's say you're low on resources and you literally have nothing. You don't have any boosters or anything, and you want some resources. What you could do is you can go around and click these things, and you can see this is a gold mine. Or if you can't find any of them, you just click on the left here, and you can see you want to fight a monster. You want to go raid a gold mine, a stone mine, lumber mine, or lumber place, whatever, or some food. So if you'd like food, let's say I click food, it tells me that this one is the nearest one to me. As you can see, this is my base. But unfortunately, someone is already raiding it. As you can see, this is red, and you can see their name, whoever is raiding this. So if I were to go there, I would be fighting him, and I don't want to fight him, obviously. I just want to collect resources because I'm still low level. And so basically what I would do is I'll just click again, and there you go. This is another one. This is also really close to me, as you can see, and no one is actually on it. You can see it has 50,000 right now in stock. All you have to do is dispatch your troops. They will go for like about 15 minutes or so, and I would say like 1 minute equals to 1,000 of the resources. So let's say you wanted 30,000 resources, that's going to be about 30 minutes of them being at the space. And they could, someone could just come in and fight your troops and kill them, or you can win the raid and kill them too, but it really depends. So here you can see like it takes 6 seconds to march to there, start raiding and stuff. You can put as many troops as you want. If you want more resources, you have to put more troops. So let's say I wanted 10,000 food, or let's say actually I'm low on rock. So this is a perfect example. As you can see, there's different rock places here. You can go out pretty far sometimes. Here you can see this is a quarry. This is where you can get yourself some stone. Let's say I want 10,000. So I'm gonna lower my troops to about, okay, let's say 11,000. I'm gonna click march. It's gonna take 15 seconds to go over there, and it's gonna start mining the resources that I need. And then you'll see about once it reaches there, at the top left you can see here, it will tell you how long it will take. So after that's done, as you can see, 15 minutes has started. So once the 15 minutes has started, they could get raided, or they could finish their raid over here, and then they just walk back 15 seconds back to our base, and you know, you will have a message here saying, as you can see, like a report, gathering report. I raided just yesterday a gold mine, and I got, you know, 11,500 coins. It tells you how much you've gone, and if you want to take your troops out there because you're scared it's gonna get raided or something, all you have to do is click this recall button. So that's basically how to play the game, or I guess like some tips and tricks. Obviously the game teaches you how to play the game if you go through it properly. Once you make, you know, your account, it will literally just tell you what to do, how it works, and everything about it. So as you can see, just my building there is done, so everything's at level 6. If your castle is level 6, that's the max level any building can go to. So let's say I want to get my academy level to level 7, but I can't, obviously, because it is level 6. You have to get your castle higher before you can get your other buildings higher than, or the same amount of level to your castle. And then the academy is to just upgrade some things like your battles, your production rate, your other rates like resource production, HP, which is health or defense and stuff, so that you can see, you click here and you can click research. Now it says that I don't have enough gold, so what I can do also is if I click research, it'll say I don't have 8,000 gold. I need 8,000 more gold. What I can do is I can click over to what it said there, and I can get, you know, I have a booster here that can give me 100,000 gold. I'm gonna click use, and as you can see, my gold is now enough. I can click research, and that's it. So you can also speed it up with the boosters that you have. So I have a bunch of boosters. For example, I'm gonna be using this 30 minutes research speed up time, and there you go, it's 30 minutes just skipped like that. And if you remember, like I said, people can help you out if you're in a clan, so you can join my clan, I guess, and if you're in my clan, people will help you out, I help you out, everyone helps each other out here. You go to help and you click help all. As you can see, someone also helped me 2 minutes to reduce the time, and just because of that, it's now done. So then I can go back here, and let's say I want to make the archery higher, but I don't have enough, you know, stone. So what I can do is also I can use one for the stone here. As you can see, I have 100,000, 1 million I can add. I'm just going to use 50,000 because it's all I need. And it starts just like that. So that's basically, you know, a few things you can do in the game that you might have not known about. There's many more things I can teach you about. Like getting a second builder or something. So tell me, what do you think of League of Kingdoms? And hopefully you appreciate this video and learn something new. You can also join our Twitter and Discord server to be a part of our like-minded community. And don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.